Okay, this is my intro for the vlog that's actually going up. What's gonna be next week? I have a date for the lift to be repaired, and my plan is to film the install. Put it on the headset and film the thing. I might break things up because the install will actually take about 2 hours. So, but I'll film as much as I can. So that's the plan right now. And I just wanted to film this intro while I was thinking about it. So, that's probably going to be the next vlog that's going to go up. Is going to be the lift repair install. For the lift repair, that's going to be the install for my new lift in the bathroom. Just because stuff with the dog is kind of going slow right now, and I don't have any new updates with him, so that's going to be the next vlog, and I'll get that up as soon as I can. It's going to be a pain to edit, so bear with me, because I will have over an hour's worth of footage, and I'm just gonna keep the camera rolling while they're working, and they'll get here between 10 and 1, and we'll see how that goes. So since I've been waiting for this, we've been waiting for parts for about a month, but I've been waiting for the lift to be repaired for like almost 6, because it's been on the fritz. I've lost count when it actually broke. So I've been down one lift for a while, but and you can find this video on my Life for CP playlist on the channel. That's kind of where all my videos that aren't directly related to service dog stuff go. You can find it there. And I'll see you guys in the next clip, which will be on Wednesday, the 20th. Okay, guys, I guess I had to do an intro because my initial video where you saw me getting Zoom ready did not come out. And I was constantly adjusting my phone and stuff like that, because somehow my phone got upside down when I was shooting this first part of the footage, and when the lift was actually being repaired and taken apart, and I need to rotate it, which it'll be rotated by the time you see this. Essentially what I did this morning was I got Zoom out of his crate and stuck him on his leash. So he was on his leash for about an hour and a half, because I didn't know what he was going to do, because the guy was going in and out, and I did not want to turn him loose. I was originally thinking they would be replacing the entire lift. That was not the case, but I'll show you what the setup is later in the video. And it was just kind of a zoo this morning, so I shot what I could. I'm gonna have to edit like a mad person. So no, I realized. Zoom, you can go ahead. No, come here. You still gotta stay by me. Come here. Zoom, down. Down. Oh boy. Okay. You're in the way. I'm gonna do the best I can here. Good boy. Let him see what's going on, Mom said. Well, when they're moving around like this. See, that's everything, and he hasn't even gotten going yet. Looks like he had a jack. So we'll see where that goes. So we'll see how this footage comes out. I gotta put everything back. Yes, bud, I know you're tired of lying down. Sit. Sit. You can smell without having to go a foot that way. Come on. Yes, you're being good. Down. Yes, I know there's a new person in the house. Down. No, he's doing decent. Other than being a bit squirmy when the guy got here. But we'll see how the footage comes out. And so much for getting my notes done since he walked in the door. If he was going to be another hour, I would have done my notes. But I knew I was going to have to play catch up today. We'll run this footage back and see if any of it came out. And it looks like this is some sort of jack here. Yeah, you stay, Zoom. You stay. Stay. You have to show me how the charger, the new charger, works with this motor, because if
Okay.
it's a different one, so.
No problem. The charger looks the exact same, to be honest, but
It's wall mounted charger. It's a wall mounted charger.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so all right, that'll work. Makes my life easier. At least I know it'll work. Yeah, I'm gonna need all those cords tied back, because then they'll get in the way. So they'll have to be looped back around where everything is, so they're out of the way. Dog down. Good boy. Let him see everything, Mom said. I'm limited on space. That's probably why he has the jack. Stay there, bud. Good boy. Well, not that you can move that much anyway. All right, let's get your stuff out of there. You're being good. Other than getting your squirms out of your system, I think we're gonna have to move Fiesta 2 down. I'm gonna move here.
I'm just gonna go put this in the living room
Okay,
so I have more room to work.
right. Zoom, stay put. Hey. Zoom. Come here, bud. I would have stayed in the living room, but Zoom knew this was going to be tight regardless of what I did. Zoom. Come in. Get out of his way. Sit. Here, let him get around. I mean, I do not have much room to work. Like, can do absolutely nothing about the size of the bathroom. Zoom down. Yes, I know. You can see what's going on, but you have to stay out of the way. Same thing with me. Come on, Zoom. Now you're all tangled. Back up. Zoom, back up. Come on. Back up, Zoom. I gotta get this off from around you. Zoom. Move it. Zoom. Come here. How'd you get this thing looped around you? Zoom. Sit. Yes, I know there's a lot going on. How the heck? That's better. You're being good. Good boy. Okay, hopefully this will work this time. Back up so I have a better angle. So the lift was in, is in. I didn't shoot the rest of the install because there just was not a lot of room. So I didn't shoot the rest of it. And it took him almost exactly 2 hours between taking it, because he had to take all of this down to tighten, to put the lift head on and stuff like that. Reset the lift for here and do that. And so, but yeah, I have everything back in here. I'm actually going to use it in a little bit, but you can't really see with the light on. I'll turn this back on in a minute. But you can't really, I don't know, it's not gonna, you won't be able to really see it. I can't really get the angle for it. I mean, I can see it from where I'm looking, but it's still charging, so I have to see. Where it is and how much charge it actually has on it. So, but yeah, I usually let these charge overnight, but since this is a new motor, I might need to baby it, but we'll see. Hopefully it has enough juice so I can use it in a little bit. But yeah, so that's where that is. He actually didn't even mess with this because he was just replacing the motor. So, and I think the only thing he probably was this one, between this one and here, because the charger, is connected to that one, that cord that's up behind my the cabinet. You can't really see it, but it's behind the light is essentially where I put it, up on top of there, so it's out of the way. And originally when this was installed, they just tied everything back, so it was out of the way, and I had him jimmy rig the remote so it could just be stuck on there. So that's that, and I'll try to get this up and tweaked, probably tomorrow, but I'll pull the footage later today.